Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Lucid Dream Genius. Today, we'll explore scientific studies on lucid dreaming to see what experts have found and most importantly, is lucid dreaming real? So, without further ado, let's get started. Lucid dreaming, which means being aware that you're dreaming and experiencing vivid and realistic events in your mind, has recently gained recognition from scientists. One significant development was the documentation of the first instance where a person intentionally communicated with the outside world while asleep. Scientists have been studying lucid dreaming more frequently nowadays, thanks to advancements in sleep technology. In 2007, Ursula Voss and her colleagues published a study in the Journal of Consciousness Studies. They discovered that individuals who have lucid dreams may exhibit higher levels of gamma wave activity during REM sleep. Gamma waves are associated with increased consciousness and alertness. The study used a technique called transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, to induce lucid dreaming in participants. TMS is a safe method that stimulates nerve cells in the brain using magnetic fields. Researchers have conducted further investigations into lucid dreaming, but their findings have varied. In this video, we will explore some of the most recent studies on lucid dreaming and attempt to answer the question: is lucid dreaming real, or is it merely a product of our imagination? Lucid dreaming happens when you realize that your dream is part of your sleep-wake cycle. During lucid dreaming, you may have some control over certain aspects of the dream, but it's not necessary to have full control for it to be considered a lucid dream. Researchers connect lucid dreams with awareness and metacognition. Metacognition is a process where a person plans, monitors, and evaluates their understanding of their own thoughts. It's an important part of dreaming because it allows you to question whether you're actually dreaming or not. Researchers believe that lucid dreaming and metacognition share similar brain systems. This means that people who are better at monitoring their thoughts are more likely to have lucid dreams. In 1913, Dutch author and psychiatrist Frederik van Eeden first coined lucid dreams in his article A Study of Dreams. However, descriptions of sleep-wake experiences can be traced back to ancient times. Ancient Egypt. In ancient Egypt, archaeologists found hieroglyphic symbols that combine an image of a bed and an open eye in Egyptian monuments. While their belief is inconclusive, interpreters suppose these symbols are about a sleep-wake state, implying the integration of lucid dreaming with the ancient Egyptian culture. Ancient Hinduism. The ancient Hindu culture also practiced lucid dreaming to heal the body and mind. This practice eventually found its way into Buddhist culture. In the book Lucid Dreams in Tibetan Buddhism, the author included a translation from a Tibetan text, which says, "The dream be about fire. Think, what fear can there be of fire which occurred in a dream? Holding to this thought, trample upon the fire. In like manner, tread underfoot whatever be dreamt." Researchers interpreted the above text to denote lucid dreaming, which became integral to traditional Buddhist metaphysics and religion. Moreover, the Buddhists' knowledge of this phenomenon allowed them to see the truth of the doctrine of illusion. They eventually used their dreams as a way to worship and achieve the liberation of the body through dream meditation. Lucid dreaming in Judaism and Christianity. The word dream appears many times in the Bible, and the early Christian people considered them important messages from God. In the book of Genesis, Joseph's interpretation of the Pharaoh's dreams led to him becoming second in command in Egypt. In another part of the Bible, Daniel interpreted a dream for Nebuchadnezzar. This interpretation led to Nebuchadnezzar making some wise decisions that blessed his kingdom. While we cannot find the word lucid dreaming in the Bible, the biblical leaders remembered the dreams upon awakening and correctly interpreted their divine significance. Lucid dreaming in the writings of Aristotle. Further, in history, evidence reveals that lucid dreaming got its first mention in the writings of Greek philosopher Aristotle in the 4th century. Often when one is asleep, there is something in consciousness which declares that what then presents itself is but a dream. This statement was the first mention of lucid dreaming by a Western philosopher who believed that man could control his dreams and use them for creative purposes. In regular dreams, people usually only remember fragments of the dream. However, frequent lucid dreamers report that their dreams feel vivid and realistic, as if they are actually happening. Some individuals even become aware that they are dreaming while still in the dream state. But what is the scientific explanation behind this fascinating sleep phenomenon? This video explores the research conducted on lucid dreaming and uncovers the science behind this extraordinary dream experience. Lucid dreaming occurs during REM sleep. which is one of the 5 sleep stages including NREM stages 1, 2, 3, and REM sleep. NREM stage 1 is a light sleep stage, while NREM stage 2 is a deeper level of sleep. The deepest level of NREM sleep is stage 3. These stages influence the likelihood of having a lucid dream. The NREM stages provide the necessary rest for the brain, allowing the prefrontal cortex to recover its vital functions for wakefulness. During REM sleep, the brain becomes more active, enabling the creation of memories and new associations. Recent studies show that the level of self-determination, which refers to the subjective experience of acting freely according to one's will, is similar during lucid dreaming and wakefulness. This suggests that lucid dreams during REM sleep are associated with a hybrid state between sleeping and being awake. Lucid dreaming based on neurological research. Neurological research comparing the brain structures of lucid dreamers and non-lucid dreamers reveals that lucid dreamers have larger anterior prefrontal cortexes. Functional MRI studies also show higher brain activity in the prefrontal cortex of lucid dreamers. This region of the brain is responsible for higher-level thinking, self-reflection, and planning. These findings suggest that frequent lucid dreamers may excel in self-reflection and planning. The research offers insights into how the brain enables self-reflection and how this ability relates to dreaming. What happens in the brain during a lucid dream? Sigmund Freud's theory of dreams, which includes unconscious desires and motivations, may just scratch the surface. Some modern researchers suggest that lucid dreaming has a significant impact on the brain. Studies have shown increased activity in the frontal lobe of lucid dreamers, which aligns with the role of this brain region in metacognitive processes. Lucid dreaming also affects the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, DLPFC, responsible for higher-level thinking, planning, and decision-making. The DLPFC is associated with higher-level cognition, working memory, and executive function. While the exact relationship between the DLPFC and lucid dreaming is not fully understood, it is implicated in self-consciousness and meta-awareness during the dream state. Overall, the research suggests that lucid dreaming is associated with increased brain activity, particularly in regions responsible for higher-level thinking, self-awareness, and visuospatial processing. Lucid dreaming has the potential to improve sleep quality and cognitive functioning. However, further research is needed to validate these findings. How are lucid dreams studied? Scientists use different technologies to study brain activity during lucid dreaming. One common method is to induce lucid dreams in test subjects. Once the subject is asleep, researchers can measure brain activity in the prefrontal cortex and other brain regions using techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI. Scientists use functional MRI to study the brains of lucid dreamers. This imaging technique tracks blood flow in the brain, revealing which brain areas are more active during a lucid dream. By analyzing fMRI data, researchers aim to understand the causes of lucid dreaming and how to induce it. Electroencephalogram, EEG. EEG is a technique that records electrical activity in the brain by placing sensors on the scalp. It is commonly used to study sleep and dreams, including lucid dreaming. EEG helps researchers understand the electrical impulses and activity patterns in the brain during a lucid dream. Electrooculogram, EOG. EOG records eye movements using electrodes placed near the eyes. These eye movements are used to identify wakefulness and REM sleep stages. Electrooculogram has been extensively used in lucid dream research to provide objective evidence of someone experiencing a lucid dream. It also allows for the study of specific features of lucid dreams, such as eye movement patterns during different dream activities. These technologies enable scientists to investigate the brain activity associated with lucid dreaming. Through their findings, they have discovered that certain brain areas, such as the frontal cortex, parietal cortex, and hippocampus, are more active during lucid dreams. Understanding the role of these brain regions can provide insights into why and how people experience lucid dreams. In recent years, scientists have been closely examining lucid dreaming, subjecting it to thorough scientific investigation. They have utilized advanced tools to observe the brain activity of individuals during lucid dreams, leading to some intriguing discoveries. Association of lucid dreams with rapid eye movement and false awakening. In 1968, Celia Green conducted research on lucid dreaming, contributing to our understanding of this unique phenomenon. Her findings indicated a connection between lucid dreams and REM sleep. Additionally, She was the first to connect lucid dreams with false awakenings. Green's work has provided valuable insights into the mechanisms behind these experiences. In 1975, Keith Hearn took advantage of rapid eye movements, REM, by collaborating with an experienced lucid dreamer. He monitored the dreamer's eye movements using an electrooculagram, EOG, to establish a means of communication between dreams and the waking world. The results of this experiment were published in a well-known publication, generating interest among researchers who conducted various studies on lucid dreaming. In the 1980s, Stephen LaBerge confirmed that time perception during lucid dreaming is similar to that in waking life. Additionally, his research revealed that different activities during lucid dreams lead to varying levels of brain activation in different hemispheres. LaBerge's studies have advanced our understanding of the mechanisms underlying lucid dreaming and provided insights on how to enhance the experience while dreaming. Numerous scientific studies have been conducted on this subject, and they all reach the same conclusion. People have the ability to control their dreams and be aware of their dream state while it is happening. Meaning, yes, lucid dreaming is real. So, how does one achieve a lucid dream? The key is to train your brain to recognize when you are dreaming. There are various methods or techniques you can use, such as the filled technique, WBTV technique, or even performing reality checks throughout the day. And I've been making videos about how to perform all those methods on this channel, so make sure to check it out. Once you have mastered these techniques, you will be able to have lucid dreams whenever you want. Lucid dreaming offers many benefits, including gaining insights into your subconscious mind, enhancing problem-solving skills, and obtaining a deeper understanding of your mental well-being. What are your thoughts on lucid dreaming? Do you believe it can help improve sleep quality and cognitive functioning? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future video from this channel. See you.